All right, so how are we doing this?
So first we're gonna start taking off all of this, tear out all the old wiring, strip it down to the bare frame pretty much, and then we're gonna paint the frame, and I'm gonna fix that tire. We have a new front tire coming in.
I still say we should try and fix that one just to see if we can.
Yeah, see if we can
Yeah.
get it inflated.
Is it a tube? It's not a tube, right?
No, it's not a tube. Okay. So we just got to get the bead set on it. And yeah, let's get started on it.
All right. What's the problem we just ran into?
So this guy, this nut right here for this back brake is seized on the threaded portion. Hopefully I can just take these pliers, hold on to this guy, and get that back off, just like that.
Nice.
Perfect. Now I gotta try to get this out of there. Hopefully we didn't harm this.
Yeah, I did kind of go hard on that for a second.
Yeah.
It
Should be okay though. Keep this there. There we go. Look at that line. Yeah. You can see where how it twisted.
Hopefully it's not too bad.
No, it's good enough to work.
You just need one, or?
Yeah, just the one. They got 14 on one side, 16 on the other. Ooh. Is that not 16? Ooh. Oh, awesome.
What are you thinking?
I guess it's a 17.
Good thing we got all these wrenches. Nice.
There's the axle. Now we just gotta whack this thing out of there.
Can you pull it?
Yeah, I can pull the frame a little bit.
You need a hammer?
No, I can pick it. There we go.
Everything just fall out.
Shims. There we go. Keep this. What we'll do is we'll go ahead, stick this back together more or less. That guy, that guy, that guy, that guy. Go get in here with this. Almost. This is the hardest part. Hardest part about doing a tire is getting the bead off. There it goes. Perfect.
Just had to get it in the right spot.
Yep. Just work around it a little bit. And that right there is what we need to pull out. It's just this. We got a new one already. So, this one's bad. I'm just gonna jerk it off.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get the new one. Yeah.
So we're gonna try pushing this guy down. Let's try it with the screwdriver. And then while he's holding that, I'm gonna try to get up to here. Ooh, this one's rough.
Not easy.
No, it's all right. Let's try. There we go. It's moving a lot though. That's okay.
It's in.
Oh, yep. All right. I'm gonna hold my finger there. Grab that.
It's not an easy process.
I mean, it's not too bad if you're able to get it good. Can you pull the screwdriver down? No, pull it down. Yeah, thank you. My finger was stuck.
It is hard to hold a camera and do this at the same time.
Yeah. There we go.
So sorry guys for the weird
You're good. What's it doing?
a bunch of air in it and then it reseals itself. Is there like a
Yes.
something that it ends up sitting in right here?
Yeah. So this is your bead, what's called your bead. This line right here on the rubber.
Yeah.
And that seals up against this ridge right here and against this.
Yeah.
And it makes a seal.
So you don't end up having to have a tube or anything inside.
Exactly.
Makes it a lot easier to, well, easier in some cases.
Yeah, some aspects. And we need this guy. There it goes.
Nice fit.
Still popped.
Real easy.
Oh yeah. So
I thought that was gonna
Go.
take a good second.
I got it. You stay there.
And I
Grab
should
this guy.
ask the cameraman to move around too much.
So I'm putting the way it airs up pretty much and stops the stem back into it. And all the air's out. That's okay. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
There's wasn't much air in it, so.
And the bead got put on, so that's all that really matters.
Oh, yeah.
And re-air it up now. Make sure there's no leaks or anything.
Yeah, which we're not even really gonna check that. All right, guys, now that we got this thing tore apart, we're gonna start cutting off some stuff. We're gonna start with these brackets right here, and then get this battery box out of here. And we may cut out this cross member right here in order to get some mounting brackets made up for the motor. All right, let's get into it.
All right, Adam, what's our plan?
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and try to mock up that engine right there and stick it on here, see how we're gonna do this mount. Oh yeah, right about there. Perfect.
Yeah, like I said though, the clutch right there's in like low.
Oh, the kickstart?
Yeah,
That
kickstart, not
should be
clutch.
fine. I mean, if we have to, we can pick it up quite a bit too. That should do. Let's grab some of that L bracket and we'll see, make up a mount for the bottom really quick for it to sit on. We'll probably put it right up here, about where it's at now.
All right, guys, we're almost done welding. Adam's gonna finish up the welding, and then in the next video, we're gonna sand, paint, and finish up the bike. So we'll see you then.